Our menu for the day: Adobong Manok, add a little amount of oil. Next, sauté the garlic. Next, the onion. Next, sauté the 1 kilo chicken. Cook for approximately 10 minutes, or until the meat is lightly brown. It's done when you have this kind of texture. Next, add 1 cup of soy sauce. Add also 1 cup of water. Put 1 chicken cube for more meaty taste. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 1/2 cup of vinegar, then mix it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a little amount of magic syrup for added taste. Put 4 pieces bay leaf. If you want, you can add chili for spicy taste. Add 1 sachet of oyster sauce. Cook for 3 minutes more. You can add now the potato. Cook for 3 minutes more. You can add hard-boiled egg for added nutrients. It's done when you have this kind of consistency. Please like, follow, and share for more cooking tutorial.